I was able to realize that most of the students are not willing to opt law as their career. And when I asked them, they said, ma'am, we have been watching all the court scenes, the litigations and the serials and movies and all that. We don't want to go into all these things. We are scared. So I just asked them, what if I tell you that you can stay at home also and you can earn a package of 8 to 10 lakhs? Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk something about a very interesting topic which most parents I'm sure they are going to like about it. And this is about career in law. Law, when I talk about, I had recently visited many schools on account of our drive that we were conducting for a couple of months, and we were having free counseling, career counseling sessions for students. And I was able to realize that most of the students are not willing to opt law as their career. And when I asked them, they said, ma'am, we have been watching all the court scenes, the litigations and the serials and movies and all that. We don't want to go into all these things. We are scared. So I just asked them, what if I tell you that you can stay at home also and you can earn a package of 8 to 10 lakhs? Now this was actually, they were all stunned. They said, ma'am, is it possible? I said, why not? So I thought, why not have this, this myths to be busted out, and we can create a video on this so that most of the parents get aware of this. So coming forward, what are the career opportunities in India we have in law? See, as far as India is concerned, we have got the biggest judiciary system, and we have got ample number of opportunities here as a career in law. The first option that we have is litigation. That is, the person, a fresher, will be trying to get associated with one of the senior mentors or the senior advocates, and he gets the idea how to deal with all these cases. And then he will be mentored for almost 4 to 5 years by the senior advocate. And eventually, when he knows or he gets an idea how exactly he has to deal with, then he will be getting his own independent clients. That's how he will be building his equity and his credibility. And then he starts his own firm. The second option one can opt for is law firm. One who is, interested into business and law can be combined together. One who is not interested to be a solopreneurship can go into enterprise or entrepreneurship. There we have a list of, couple of lawyers coming together, and they are creating a firm. They recruit some of the lawyers under them, and that's how they run their business. And let me tell you, it's not just a small firm. These firms are very much associated with celebrities or reputed personalities, and even sometimes the politicians. And that's why they give a high package to these lawyers or the people who are recruited. Almost 8 to 10 lakhs packages are given there. Even a fresher can earn 50,000 a month very easily. So I think it's a good option there to choose. The third option that we have is judiciary. The person has to just answer an exam and just maybe he can become a judiciary or an attorney. The fourth option one can choose is civil service, because most of the subjects are interrelated or they are common for both the streams. So it is better. Most of the lawyers are also choosing this particular exams also. So you can also try your luck there. The fifth option is legal journalism. If you take up LLB and then pursue your masters in mass communication or media management, it's very easy to opt this particular course, and it is a highly paid profession where your linguistic skills are enhanced. If you have a very good command over the language or your linguistic skills are high, then you can definitely go for this. There are many other verticals on this. We can discuss about this in some other video as well. The sixth is international law. Now, international companies, most of the MNCs they need their corporate lawyers, or I would say international lawyers, wherever, especially when they have the trade going on. For example, now the US company is trying to trade in India. they need somebody who needs to know the legalities of both the countries, like India as well as the US. So they recruit the lawyers from India and they get paid for it. They will be telling about all the legal formalities that has to be done or that has to be completed before trading in India. The seventh option that we have is something new, that is legal process outsource. Here, the Indian lawyer is working for the global clients. We all know that in India, you can get skilled laborers for a lower cost when compared to that of the developed countries. So people try to recruit lawyers from India, skilled lawyers, professionals, the specialized lawyers, and then they are recruited and paid using Indian currency. They are paid with Indian currencies, whereas the output what they are getting, the outcome what they have is in euros and dollars. That's why these companies prefer to pay a very high salary for these skilled laborers in India. The eighth option that we can select is about the cyber law. We know about the digital scams, the cyber crimes that is happening in and around us. So in order to check them, even government is trying to recruit the people who are specialized in crime department or this crime law. One was done BTech with LLB, an integrated program. It's easy. You can have your luck there in this particular option as well. The last one that I want to talk about is advocates, working as an advocate in NGOs, because NGOs also need their own lawyers. If you opt BSW and LLB together, when it's an integrated program of BSW and LLB, then it is very easy for you to go and choose your career with the NGOs. They also pay a very high salary if you have a very good and reputed NGOs near your community. Then go ahead for it. Now, if you want to know the top universities that are offering these courses, I will be putting all of them, all the details in the description box below. So check them out. And what are the other careers that you want to talk about, want me to talk about? Let me know in the comment section. I will be surely coming up ahead with these videos. Just let me know if you are interested to know more about these kinds of career opportunities.